Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need gear and a plan. Equip iron armor, shield, decent weapon, food, and a bed. Once ready, go to village outskirts at dawn and watch for pillager patrols. Move quietly and note their path. This tells you where raids can spawn. If you spot a patrol near an outpost, follow at a safe distance to learn their patrol loop. Make sure to mark the area with torches or a temporary landmark so you can return quickly once you trigger or call in a raid. You get bad omen by killing a patrol captain carrying a banner. Do that calmly and avoid dying. Once you have bad omen, walk into a village boundary to immediately trigger a raid. While approaching, place torches and create choke points. Fences and trapdoors funnel enemies better than open fields. Once done, station villagers in a secure room and set up healing items and a vantage point. Make sure to keep a quick escape route and beds to reset if overwhelmed. You fight waves by focusing ravagers first. Use shield and pull back to avoid stomp combos, then handle witches and ranged pillagers. Once the last wave falls, collect hero of the village trades and loot from chests and corpses. If the raid overwhelms you, retreat to a fortified room and let villagers hide while you reset. Remove bad omen by visiting a temple or dying, repair barricades, restock arrows and potions, then return when...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.